Ooh, check it out. We got a little package in. I've only been waiting a few days, but I've just been super excited to get it. So let's go ahead and tear it into it. Let me show you guys. Oh yeah, baby. Whoo. Check those out. Whew. Man, that's a good looking boot. So I've been wanting these for a little while. They're pretty expensive. They're like $200, I think, retail. But I found these on Motomummy, and I guess they had been returned. It looks like they'd never been worn, maybe trying on or something. But I found them for, they were like $160, I think, so $40 off, and I had to snap on them. I really, really like these because they kind of don't quite look like riding boots. I can wear them casually, I think, too, but definitely got a lot of support and protection, especially in this toe and just everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on, make sure they fit and everything. Got them on and they fit perfect, man, and they're super comfortable too. Alpine-Star stuff is not cheap, but everything that I get from them I just absolutely love. I need a sponsorship by them for real, because I'm having to get like stuff here, stuff there. I'm having to wait because it's not cheap. But my helmet, my SM8 helmet for motocross, I freaking love. I have a jersey from them, and now these shoes, man, they make good stuff. But I'll link these in the description for y'all. I think they come in this color and a different type of brown and a black. But yeah, check them out. I really like these so far. I haven't even ridden in them yet, but I can tell they have a lot of padding and a lot of support, and it actually looks like they'll be pretty dang protective. Welcome back to the video, everyone. We're about to get on the bike and go for a ride here, but real quick before we get started, let's check out this motorcycle cover. This company, let's see, XYECTEM. They hit me up, and it looked like they have all the types of budget covers for motorcycles. So they hit me up asking if I would want one for free and see how I like it. Told them, yeah, send me one out. This is not specific to the KLX300. But they have a little sizing chart, and this is the XXL that I got right here, so that's the size that I went with. Little warranty card, something. So we're about to see if this sizing that I ordered here fits. Let's check it out. So they first asked me if I wanted a cover, and I was like, you know, I keep my bikes inside. I don't even know if I'd really need a cover, but I thought about it, and I was thinking maybe if I'm camping or doing something like that and the bike's outside, that I could get used to this cover. So I said, yeah, sure. So it looks like a really basic size that kind of just, let's see here, like that maybe. Might have it on backwards, but well, I don't know if I put it on right. But it's covering the whole thing right now. So what's this right here? Oh, that's the front fender. It's got a little buckle right here so you can keep it from blowing off. So I might have it on backwards. I don't really know. I just threw that on in literally like 2 minutes. But gets the job done, covers the motorcycle. So I will link this in the description. I appreciate them sending that out to me. I'll try to get use out of it if I'm camping or doing something like that. But I'll link this exact cover in the description for y'all, and let's go ahead and get to the ride. Oh, let's see if we get the wave. Yeah! All right, welcome back, everybody. We're just gonna be ripping around. We just made it in here to Mexico, so we're just gonna be getting a little wheelie practice today. Let's get a little first of the day warm up. Oh yeah, the KLX is feeling good today, as always. With the blinker on. Woohoo! get a few where I'm just coasting on them too. I've been getting a little better on my wheelies with the Z125. That's taken me a while to get used to. It's been a learning curve for sure from like the dirt bike dual sport wheelies. But I'm getting better, and it's obviously a lot smaller engine, so a 125cc engine, so you kind of run out of gear quick, so you gotta learn how to balance it out. But it's fun. I like learning on it. Let's run it. Oh man, it feels so good out right now. It's probably somewhere like 78 to 80. Just, in my opinion, perfect riding weather. I wish it would stay like this forever, man. Woo! I'm kind of just letting the back roads take me right now. I don't really know where I am. Can't wait to get that 13.2 sprocket on. I know I've been talking about it forever, but and I've had it for months now, but I just haven't really gotten to it yet. But I've heard from a lot of people that does make a good difference, especially for wheelies and making it a little torquier. I don't know, so I'm excited to try that. I do want to throw it on here soon. And shoot, I guess this video will be going up tomorrow on Labor Day, so happy Labor Day, everybody. Damn, they had a whole squad of e-bikes over there. Anyone catch that? I got the blinker off mid-wheelie. Y'all also be sure to follow my Instagram if you're on Instagram. It's at Nolan.Rides. I'll throw it up on the screen there, but I'm pretty active on the Instagram with the stories and posts and everything, so definitely follow me there. If there's one thing with my wheelies that I'd say I'm working on the most every time I go out and try to do them, it'd be really just the back brake. I hit the back brake and I use the back brake, but just getting more comfortable with leaning back a little bit further to get that balance point so you're not just powering out of the wheelies, and working on that back brake and keeping it in that smooth spot where you're just kind of coasting. Whenever I'm wheeling, that's what I'm usually trying to get a little bit better on. It's hard, man. It's scary to lean back further than you're used to and get sketchy with it. Got to get a quick little off-road rip in.
that's enough wheelies for now. Just wanted to get out, enjoy this good weather, and get some wheelie content today, and we did it, so I'm happy. But be sure to follow the Instagram, and always leave a like on the video if you enjoyed, people. I like to see how many likes we can get on all these videos, so it's fun to look at. And also subscribe if you like the videos. I come out with, I've been doing 3 a week now for the last couple of weeks, so be sure to subscribe, and take it easy. I'll see y'all.